North Lake Tahoe, North Tahoe, and Tahoe-Douglas Fire Protection Districts present Cooking Up Fire Safety in the Kitchen.
Hi kids, I'm Erin Holland with North Tahoe Fire, and we want to welcome you to our first virtual fire prevention video.
I'm Tia Rancourt with North Lake Tahoe Fire.
I'm Eric Gavon with Tahoe-Douglas Fire.
Welcome to our video.
What is Fire Prevention Month?
Hi guys, my name is Eric Gavon. I'm the Fire Marshal for Tahoe-Douglas Fire Department in Lake Tahoe, Nevada. I'm going to talk to you a little bit about fire extinguishers, but before that I'd like to talk to you a little bit about what we're here for. It's Fire Prevention Month. The reason we do our Fire Prevention Month in October is because of the Great Chicago Fire. A lot of families were displaced, a lot of property was burned, and there were a lot of people that died because of fire. So there's things we can do to prepare for fire, and that's why we use this month to get the message out. So this month we're focusing on safety in the kitchen, and a good place to have a fire extinguisher is in your kitchen.
How to use a fire extinguisher.
Let's talk about using the fire extinguisher. So if there's one close to the kitchen and a fire starts, you want to be able to get your fire extinguisher, you pull the pin, and you pull the pin out, you aim the hose where you want the powder to go to put the fire out, and squeeze. So how does that work? Everybody passes this one because it's pull, aim, squeeze, and then sweep at the base of the fire. So the acronym is PASS. Pull, aim, squeeze, sweep. Pull the pin, aim at the fire, squeeze, and sweep.
How to practice fire safety in the kitchen.
Hi, my name is Tia Rancourt. I'm with the North Lake Tahoe Fire Protection District, and I'm here to talk to you today about fire safety in the kitchen. So while we're here, what are some things that we can do to be fire safe in the kitchen? We've got this pot, we're cooking on the stove, we've got a handle sticking out. That might be an issue for little kids. We want to make sure we have a kid-free zone of 3 feet clearance for our kiddos so that we have a safe environment while we're cooking. We also, always using an oven mitt, we want to have a lid nearby, because if something should happen on the stove, the lid gives us an opportunity to put the fire out, turn the stove off, and step back from the stove area while we're taking care of that.
Be aware of other home hazards.
While we're talking about fire safety in the home, let's make sure we address home hazards. Please make sure your fireplace area is clear of anything combustible within 3 feet. Also, during the holiday season, please use candles with care and make sure they are at least 12 inches away from anything combustible. Candles should not be left unattended in the room. You can also consider using LED replacements.
Hi, I'm Erin Holland, Public Information Officer with the North Tahoe Fire Protection District. Heating equipment is one of the leading causes of home fires during the winter months. And space heaters are one of the most popular pieces of equipment involved in those fires. It's really important to understand that you never want to plug a heating device into a surge protector or an extension cord. You want to make sure that you always have it plugged directly into the wall.
Dial 911 if there is an emergency.
What's an emergency? An emergency is when somebody is hurt or sick or there's a fire. Always dial 911. Say your name, address, and phone number.
How to practice fire safety in your bedroom.
Hi guys, we're in a bedroom of a home, and I wanted to talk to you about your bedroom and keeping yourself safe. First thing I want to tell you is about your door. At night when you're sleeping, you want to close the door. Simple way to remember that is close before you doze. Make sure that door is closed because it keeps smoke and fire from coming into your room. It'll keep you safer that way. So make sure and close before you doze. All right, now once you're in your room, you should also have a working smoke alarm in your room. There should be a smoke alarm in your room up on the ceiling, usually by the door, and then there should be another smoke alarm outside your room in the hallway or just near the doorway. That way, if smoke gets near your doorway, it's going to go off, beep, 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 and warn you to get out. This one will warn you if smoke, of course, is in your room, and that would be the worst case. So closing that door is key, and the smoke alarm outside your door is going to warn you. So if you're sleeping in your bed, you want to have 2 ways out of your room, 2 ways out. One, you could climb out the window. The other way, the easiest way, of course, is going out your door. So using the doorway to go out, you want to make sure first it's safe to go out that way. So what you want to do is always feel the door with the back of your hand. Make sure you're seeing if that door is hot, that means that there could be smoke and fire on the other side of that door, and you don't want to open it. So feel it with the back of your hand first and make sure it's not hot. If it is hot, you're going to want to go out your window and use that way to get out so it's safer. And then go to your meeting spot, wherever you're going to meet up with your family. So make sure you remember, always check that door. The other thing you want to do is stay low. Low before you go. So get low before that smoke, get down to the ground, and then you're going to basically crawl out because the smoke and the heat is up higher and the poison is in that smoke. And you don't want to get that poison and you don't want to be affected by that heat. Whoa, there's smoke. Get down, get low, get low, get low. Feel the door. Door's not hot. We need to go. So staying low is important, and crawl your way out and get out fast. Don't go back for anything. Once you're out of the home, you never want to go back into the home for anything. Stay outside at your meeting spot so your parents or your caregivers know where you're at.